boost your affiliate marketing with these great ideas. Some people hold a lot of doubt near and dear to their hearts as they attempt to start a web business. The reason for all the doubt is because so many before them have failed. Before you start your business as an affiliate, take a little bit of your time to read up on these tips and tactics that you can use. It is vital that you or your affiliate partners do not use this process. At the very least, cookie stuffing will lose you a few customers. The worst case scenario would be the potential spread of a virus or interference with tracking click-through behaviors. Create a short ebook and post it on document sharing sites. By doing this, you can show off your expertise, but you can also attract visitors and prospective buyers who are looking for similar information to your site. Be sure to include a number of links to your site inside the document. Make sure your links go where your readers expect them to. This may seem obvious, but some affiliates will list links under the incorrect heading. Always test the links yourself, several times. Readers want to click the link and be taken to the product in question. They are much less likely to buy if they have to hunt around for the product you are talking about. If you are reviewing a product that you have not purchased, make sure that you always include examples of how it works. You always want to give screenshots of the product, other reviews from users, with permission, and other vital information about the product. As an affiliate, you should be really informed about any product you promote. Bullet lists are a great way to show off product benefits. Having a bulleted list gives readers who don't want to read your whole video a place to see what they like about your product. It also provides a break-in video, adding to its visual appeal. Consider any products sold by an affiliate program very carefully before you put any links on your site. Properly arranging your links may take some practice, but well-arranged links result in more money for you. Using the right tactics to approach affiliate marketing is, undoubtedly, how you will become successful in the field. A failure to use the right methods will ensure your failure. Heed these tips and work toward your ultimate success as an affiliate, by taking things one small but direct step at a time. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.